Hello friends, my name is Victoria with Do Tell the Bell, and recently my friend Vicky just returned from a world trip and she brought me back this paintbrush from Japan. It's super beautiful. It has these inscriptions on it in Asian writing, and it looks like the bristles are natural. And look, she left the price tag on and it's 12,000 yen. I think that's funny. So I'm going to do a little demonstration and try this brush out. And what I'm going to paint is some vines similar to this that we worked on last week in our live demonstration on Color Me Calm. So I'm going to use regular watercolor paint to do this, and we're learning live together to see how this will work with watercolors. So I'm picking up some of my sap green. Just going to do a little test here to see. So far I like the way that picks up the color, and we just probably need a little more water in the brush. My friend, when I showed him this brush, he's like, I wouldn't even use it. It's so beautiful. Like, I don't think that was the intent. I think she wanted me to use it. So far, it doesn't really hold the watercolor or add it to the paper that well. But it is kind of neat. Maybe I just need to get used to it. Let's do another one here. Going this way. Yeah, I think you just need to have enough water in the brush for it to spread smoothly. So I'm going to paint a leaf. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. What a great gift. I can have a lot of fun with this. Now, she had mentioned that it came with like a block of black ink that got damaged in the trip, or during the trip rather. And my guess is that block is probably similar to watercolor, but I don't know. If any of you have more experience with this brush, please leave me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. But so far, this is really great. I'm digging it. I like it a lot. This was a really wonderful gift and very thoughtful. Now let's add a little bit of a different pigment. I'll add some cadmium orange to this just to give it a little bit of interest. I like dropping in the color and then watching it interact with the pigments. Right now it doesn't look like much, but I bet you it'll be really cool. Now let's see how it picks up pigment if we add too much and water. Very nice. This is beautiful. And when I paint these vines, I just kind of don't even really think about what I'm doing. I just kind of let my creative brain take over and let things flow. It's really a nice place to be. To just escape from all the pressures of life. That was kind of the basis behind my Color Me Calm workshops. When you do like this overlapping, it gives your vine a little bit of dimension and adds this kind of whimsy feel. Not enough water with that one. Way fun. What do you think? Is this something that you would try at home? Do you have a brush like this? Very nice. Thank you, Vicky. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more, consider signing up for my weekly live workshops or Zoom sessions. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly watercolor tutorials. Your support helps me bring more creative projects like this one to life. Happy painting and see you next time.